Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another TheRideTV vlog. Sorry I've been lacking in the vlogs lately. I've been really busy with my regular job, so I haven't really had time to go do some extra stuff out there. Summer's coming, so there's a lot more stuff going on, so I should be able to get out there and get some more footage for you guys and more content for you guys. So we're in the garage right now, and Alloy Art was gracious enough to hook us up with a new shifter linkage and this toe peg for your shifter. So we're just gonna throw these on super easy. It's just 2 bolts on this, and this is just 1 bolt. So we're just gonna do this ourselves real quick. I wanna say thank you to Alloy Art, and let's get into it.
Who want it? Put jewels on it. Who want it? Who want it?
So first thing we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to remove this bolt here, and we're gonna have to remove this bolt here, and then we can take this old linkage off. So as you can see, the difference is quite beefy. Big difference there. So it's gonna be a lot stiffer when you go to shift. A lot more response on there. So the only thing you have to do now, you have to adjust the size of this while it's off. We'll adjust it to match up the size of this, and then we should go right back on. All right, now you just put it back on the way it came off.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight up a lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blood in it.
Alright guys, we got that one thrown in, super easy. It's just 2 bolts. Just gotta make sure you adjust it, loosen these jam nuts on it, adjust the length, make sure the length is the same where you want it. Tighten the jam nuts back up, tighten the bolts back up. You can see how much thicker it is than the other one, the new one is, than the old one. It's much better, your shifting is much more responsive. I have the Alloy Art shift linkage on my other dyno, the mid control one. This was obviously for the forwards, and they already hooked us up with this one for the mids when we put mids on this bike soon, so that is coming. So we have that ready, so we'll change that out again when the time comes. And now we're gonna throw this toe peg on the shifter. Super easy, it's just 1 bolt right through. You pop that one off, pop this one on, done. You start by pulling off this old shifter. Here's the new shifter. Alright guys, so that's it. Sorry it was a short one today. It was super easy. We just threw the shifter on and the linkage on. I recommend anyone grabbing this linkage for their bike. It makes a really big difference. You don't think it does, but it really does make a big difference. No bullshit. So thank you Alloy Art for that. Can't wait to put the mids on and get the other one on, because then the bike's really going to be a lot better. I want to say thank you to you guys for watching. Drop a comment. Tell me what you want to see next. Make sure you subscribe and share and like and all that stuff. I'll see you guys later.
Been a long time.